Thank you so much for joining me. I appreciate all of you. Om Adyaye Namaha. Thank you so much for liking and subscribing. It really helps me a lot. Don't forget to check out my website, paradoxastrology.com. Book your consultation today. I can help you with anything. And if you'd like more exclusive occult videos that I don't post on YouTube, consider subscribing to my Patreon. It also helps to support this channel. Okay, just a very quick video with a technique that I learned from Dipanchojiri, who I'm learning so much from, who is basically like the guru I've never met. So I think he's one of the best astrologers in modern times. Amazing. So this is how you can find your profession very easily. And like he says, it's going to take a lot of practice, but if you really understand what the signs and the planets mean, then this can help you out. So he says, profession is seen 10th from the Atmakarka in the D9 chart. So look at your birth chart and find the planet at the highest degree. That's your Atmakarka. That's your sole purpose. And while you're there, if you don't know what your sole purpose is, then check out that planet, the significance of that planet, what sign it's in, what house it's in, and what nakshatra it's in as well, and what's aspecting it. That's very important. But to find the profession, then find it in the D9 chart. Go and count 10 houses from there. Boom. Look at that sign. Think about, what does that sign entail? Is it Gemini? Is it all about communication? Is it Pisces? Is it more about spirituality? I'm just giving you very general things. Is it Virgo? Is it possibly about analyzing? So it can be many different things. Now examine the planets in there and the planets aspecting that house. Not the planetary aspects, but the aspects by house. And then he says the quality of the planets will describe how well the native will do in their career. Is it debilitated, exalted? This will tell you how well you will do in your career. If a planet is sitting in its own house, 10th from Atmakarka, this shows that you will have great success and rise in your career. The other special positions that it could be in: exalted, debilitated, retrograde, and own sign, like I said. Then you will do work related to the Atmakarka, to your sole purpose. And that is the best position. It will help you rise. If the Atmakarka, which is the planet at the second highest degree in your birth chart, look at it in the D9. If it aspects the 10th house from the Atmakarka, he says the native will work as a priority for money and will become a kingmaker for a lot of other people in their lives. And it brings a lot of fame to the native. Also, if it's placed in a special position, just like I explained the Atmakarka being exalted, debilitated, retrograde, or own sign, it more so will help you excel. So he talks more about this in his book about Atmakarka, but this is just a very small technique that you can use just to kind of analyze and really think about what your profession is supposed to be. If you feel a little bit intimidated by other techniques which involve a lot of different things. So I hope this helps, and I thank you so much for watching. I appreciate all of you, and I'll see you in the next one.